All right, let's take a look at Google Drive. So I'm going to go over here to my Google Drive. There it is. And you're going to see it comes up. You can see that I'm in the Dodia Google Drive. Here's my drive. I can do some things here. New folder. If I want to create a new folder, I can upload files. I can upload a folder even. It will usually zip it. Or I can create a new file here. And we're going to come to that in just a little bit. You can also go to the new, and you've got the same kinds of things there. And we're going to look at that a little bit later also. So here are all the items in my drive. You can see folders if I want to look at what's inside a folder. Just click on that. I can go to things that are shared with me from other people. So these are things that other people have created. You can see who shared it with me. I can see my recent files if I want to look at things that have. You can see this one was done at 1:27 today. I can look at just starred applications. So to star something, I can go over here. If I want to star something, I just go to the file and add a star. So now Alan, when I go to starred, you'll see the Alan folder in there. And I can see what's in my trash. So Google will keep your trash for a certain amount of time. I want to say it's 30 days at least, and then it will delete them. So once they're deleted, they are permanently deleted. So I can go here and empty the trash, and that also permanently deletes them. So you can't get them back once you've permanently deleted them. If I want to look at things from a grid view, I can see a little thumbnail, also see the folders here. I can tell that this is a movie. Let's say, by looking at the icon, you can see what type of application this will open this document. I can sort by last modified. I can sort by last edited by me, or last opened, or by name. I can also go in and look at the details over here, and I can see what some of the details of that file. If I go to an individual file, I can see who moved it or who maybe modified it. Let's get one that's maybe a little bit older. So I can see when I created it, when I moved it to the trash, etc. So there's some things here. So if I want to upload something to my drive, I'm going to go back to my drive here. I'm going to go back to list view. And I'm going to go ahead and upload a file. And I want to show you a couple little things you can do here. So I'm just going to grab this calculating middle school GPA. I'm going to select it. And down here you can see when it's done, and it didn't take long. I can share it right from there if I want, but I don't want to share this right now. But I want to go ahead and what I want to do is, that was a PDF file. I don't know if you noticed that. But so, and here it is. I'm going to select that. Notice it's got the PDF extension. But I want to make this editable in Google. Maybe I want to share it with some people and have them edit it. So if I go over here, you notice I've got some, once I click on a file, I can get the link. I can do some things. I can preview it. But what I want to do, let's preview it just to see what it looks like. Oops, that's the wrong one. Here we go. So notice this is a PDF file. And so what I want to do is turn this into a Google Drive file, a Google Doc. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to say open with Google Docs. And now it's converting it. It's going through, and so it's doing like an OCR kind of thing. And so now when it opens it in the doc, I've got a picture of the original file, but I've also got the text here that now I can copy, I can select, I can go ahead and edit this or change it or do whatever I want with it, or copy it and paste it into something else. So that's kind of a nice feature. Now, if I want to go in, I'm going to create something new here, and notice I've got some, I've got your traditional Google Docs, sheets, slides, but I also have some other things here. Concept board, Lucidchart, real-time board. And these are other Google applications that I've added to my Google Drive. So let's go ahead and go to Lucidchart. And what this is a mind map kind of flowchart program. So I'm going to go ahead to start with a blank. And now I can go ahead and create a little flow chart here. And so you've got a lot of features here. So anyways, but I just wanted to show you. I can drag things out here. And I'm going to connect them. I can do that. So anyways, so it's nice, and I can share this or I can present it. And so it's a nice program. There's a free version that I'm using, but you can also do a paid version, which you probably wouldn't want to do. I wouldn't recommend it. So now, how do you get those things? So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go connect more apps. And once you're in here, there's all kinds of apps that you can use, and students can get to this as well. So lots and lots of apps here that you can go ahead and do. Now let's say you've added something and then you say, I don't really like that app. It's not good. So let's just take one here. Let's go ahead and add this one here. So I've added that one. Now I want to get rid of it. So if I go here, new, notice it's there it is, HTML edit key, edity, and I want to get rid of that one. So I just go over here to my settings, go in here, manage apps, and there it is. I'm going to say get rid of it, disconnect from drive, disconnect, and now it's gone. So it's easy to add things, and it's also easy to get rid of them. So that's a little introduction to Google Drive. Hope you enjoyed that.